Today, I'm gonna do a unique 3D jester set. First, start out with sky blue, and I'm using my one stroke liner to draw our face. Now, with my Milky Art gel, I am gonna give her highlights. This gel is amazing for highlight, by the way. I'm gonna finish her detail with all one stroke liners. Now, I am gonna use a combo of black art gel and Teflon matte. Teflon matte to isolate chrome, black art gel to adhere chrome. This will keep your background nice and clean when you rub chrome on. Top coat and bedazzle before we move on to our white Play-Dohs. I'm gonna mold out a hat for the jesters. Then after that, I'm gonna take white 3D jelly and add a little bead right at the end of the tips. Color it in with art gel. Then I will add more stud and bling for the jester. Now let's see what we come up with the other fingers. What do you think of this? I think this is so cute and creepy at the same time. Happy early Halloween!